Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Homecube Smart LED Nightlight. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device itself and we have some Homecube branding on the top right. On the left hand side of the package, we have some precautionary information stating that this product is not a toy and to keep it away from children. It is also only for indoor use and please not to disassemble the device yourself. On the right hand side, we have a sticker that has some of the importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care details. On top, we have the operating instructions, which basically tell you the different modes and what each of the modes do. The underside of the box has some description and use cases of this light. Since it has an auto feature which basically detects the ambient light of the room that it is in, it will switch on if it detects that the ambient light is too low. So it makes for a very effective nightlight. There is nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the nightlight itself. We can see that it has a white color theme going for it all the way around. On the front, we have two USB charging ports, so you can charge other devices using these ports as well. Underneath that, we have the ambient light sensor, which basically detects the ambient light of a room. And on the bottom, we have the switch, which helps you switch between the different modes. Currently, it's on the auto mode, which is on the extreme left, and that is the mode where the sensor is used the most. Next, in the middle is the off mode. That means that in any situation, it will keep the light off. And on the right hand side, we have the on mode, which will keep the light on regardless of the ambient light. This is the area where the light shines out of. On the back, we have the plug point, and this is basically a standard 2-pin Indian plug that we find in most Indian households. So let's see this product in action now. Here we have a power strip, and since the studio lights are quite strong, we will be keeping it on the full on mode. In case we keep it in the auto mode, it will be turned off because it will detect that the lights are quite strong. So this is what the light looks like when it is turned on. We can also charge devices using this light using the USB ports on the front. So this was the unboxing of the Homecube Smart LED Nightlight. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.